It's off right here. And then I'm gonna put the new part on, which is this. Okay. This is the number. This is this. Took it off. And then that's where it came from, that hole right there. So we're gonna get a napkin and something to put it in there so we can clean off all that residue from around. Wipe around it. You don't want any dust or anything to get in that hole there for the sensor, so you just wipe it around. It's good to just clean it. The wash is gonna, let's see, just clean it. No sensor. This is how the new one looks. This is how the old one looks. Where that old one at? This is how the old one looks. Guys, remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. He's gonna go ahead and screw it in manually, and then you'll tighten it with your grip. I know you're probably like, why the hell is this girl doing this? She won't pay for that. I mean, to be honest, my dad was a mechanic, so it's kind of like, you want to tie it, and then you want to just use your pliers to tighten it a little bit. I mean, just a little bit. There you go. And then you're gonna take this. I'm gonna wipe it off. I'll be back. Okay, so now I wipe that off. It should be good to go. Let's try. Put it in. Oh, perfect fit. We on there. We on there. Okay. Let's give it a try. See if it goes off. The sensor goes off the dashboard. All right, before we do that, we're gonna add some oil to this baby.